Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Cougar House Garage. Today I'm going to be working on the 350Z again. I'm going to get the rear fenders rolled because they're pretty tight actually. With these, I forgot what size these are. What size are these? 275/40. Let's see here. I can get my pinky in there, but I gotta roll that. It's pretty bad. I like it though. I love how aggressive it is. So alright, I'm gonna pull out my Eastwood, I think is what it's called, fender roller, and then we'll get one of these. We'll get this right side work off first. And I'll just use the jack because I have to drive the Z up on wood, and it's really tough to get the lift arms underneath it, and so I'm just gonna use the jack up one side, do one side at a time. So, all right. Let's get the fender roller out, get this work pulled off, get started. Cue the music. Got that work off there. Then I took off all the lug nuts with the 3/8 hand wrench. I'd like to do that by hand so I don't scuff up the lug nuts. But getting that wheel off those 60mm studs, man, it's tough. You gotta, they're so long. So all right, let's go ahead and get the Eastwood fender roller mounted up, and let's get this fender rolled. It's not going to need a real aggressive roll. It just needs the lip just folded up in there. So let's do it. Alright guys, after working that a lot, a whole bunch of times and adjusting this a whole bunch of times, we got it rolled pretty good. Check it out. Try not to make it sick. Let the camera work. Looking pretty good. Okay, so let's get this fender roller off this side, put the work back on, and rinse and repeat on the left side. Let's do it. Cue the music. left side's finished up. There's a little bit of Bondo up in here. Looks like this quarter got a little bit of work done on it at one point, but whatever. It's getting some crown carbon crafting over fenders in the future here, so who cares? The same reason why I didn't use a heat gun on either side. That's just to prevent paint from chipping. It's okay if a little bit of paint flakes off right there, because it's gonna have to get cut up when we put the over fenders on. So, all right, let's reinstall this work and get this finished up. Cue the music. All right, she looks really good. I just need to torque down the lug nuts before I drive it. And when I wash it, I really need to polish these works up. But all right, guys, that's pretty much for this episode. Working on the 350Z Cougar House. Needed to. I didn't roll the front fenders because they didn't need it. They were already done by the previous owner, so bonus. Just had to roll the rear. I didn't use a heat gun because I wasn't worried about chipping the paint on the back at all. You know, I'm gonna order up some crown carbon crafting over fenders for it in the future, so I don't care if those get chewed up a little bit. We're gonna have to cut them up to put the over fenders on anyways, so no big deal. But all right, yeah, so our next episode here, working on the Z, I'm gonna order up a Vertex replica, the Duraflex V-Speed of their kit. So I'm gonna get the front bumper, side skirts, rear bumper. That'll be a lot better than this chewed up front bumper that's on here, and it'll really change the look of the car pretty drastically. So that'll be cool to have that Vertex look. But yeah, that feels pretty good to get those fenders rolled. Now I can just drive this car around and use it until the body kit gets here, so that'll be pretty cool. And then we'll probably order up the over fenders after that. So But all right, guys, overall, pretty successful afternoon. It was pretty easy to do that, so I feel good about it. I think the Z looks good. I like the tarnished industrial fallout look that it has going on for itself. Previous owner, I don't know what happened, pissed off his girlfriend or something, but it looks like somebody threw acetone all over the hood or paint thinner, something like that. But yeah, feeling good about it. Now we can drive the Z around. You guys will see this in the upcoming vlogs and stuff. But yeah, if you guys like this episode, you like this kind of stuff about the Z, just let me know. If you guys like Cougar House Garage, you like what we do, check us out at cougarhousegarage.com. Check us out at Facebook/Cougar House Garage. Thank you guys for all this constant support as always. I didn't say that a second ago. And if you guys like to follow along on Instagram, follow along in the daily story there and our Instagram page to keep up all the crazy projects. And we'll see you guys in the next episode.